In my last video, I showed you how you can make one of the cheapest and easiest firewood racks for under $10. Now, I want to see if we can do this by cutting the materials in half. One cinder block and one 2x4x8. Follow along. This is Accidentally Country. So in my last video I mentioned you want to use your cinder block and make sure it's as level as it can be. You want to make sure gravity works for you and not against you. It can be a little bit unlevel, but don't make it super unlevel like on the side of a hill. So here, this is one seasoned 2x4x8. I cut it in half on my own. However, you can go to your home improvement store and just ask them to do it for you, and they'll do it free of charge. You put the wood here at a diagonal in each of the holes, and then pulling it apart here, you can tell it will not break or give. All right, so let's try the stack test, and then we'll do a safety test at the end. So I'm actually really impressed with what this can do for approximately $5. Again, one cinder block and one 2x4x8, you've got a fully functional firewood rack. A couple of things I'll recommend. I would not put it closer than say 5 to 10 feet from your house because insects do like wood and also rodents as well. So if you have a little bit of separation there, it might help create that buffer that you need. Also, in regards to keeping this wood seasoned and helping it dry, a lot of people recommend putting like a tarp over this. This will help absorb the rain or block out the rain. If it gets wet on the side, it's okay. The wood will still stay seasoned. It's more of the soaking rain that will cause it to be an issue. The other thing I will say is this is not nearly as sturdy as the firewood rack that I did in the video before, which I'll put a link in the, up above. I'll do a quick demonstration on the sturdiness of this. It's still okay if you're around adults, but if you have younger kids, I definitely would avoid this firewood rack. Didn't take a lot. So definitely there is a safety issue with this one. However, if you're comfortable without having kids around, it's a really viable firewood rack to attempt at home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And thanks for following Accidentally Country, and we'll see you next time.